Need a reliable locksmith in Harris Park? Welcome to Dr. Lock. We've been helping homes and businesses across Harris Park and the Parramatta area for over 20 years with professional, licensed locksmith services. Whether you're locked out, need your locks changed, want your home rekeyed, or need better security for your business, we're here to help. We carry a fully equipped mobile workshop, allowing us to complete most jobs on-site without unnecessary delays. From emergency lockouts and broken locks to installing new deadlocks, digital smart locks, restricted key systems, and commercial security hardware, we have the experience and the right tools for the job. Moving into a new home in Harris Park? We recommend changing or rekeying your locks so you know exactly who has access to your property. Own a business? We can design master key systems, repair commercial locks, install access control, and help improve the security of your premises. At Dr. Lock, we believe in honest advice, quality workmanship, and treating every customer with respect. No shortcuts, no unnecessary upselling, just professional locksmith services. If you need a trusted locksmith in Harris Park, give Dr. Lock a call today. We're proud to service Harris Park and surrounding suburbs throughout Parramatta. Visit drlock.com.au or call us today and let Dr. Lock help keep your home, business, and family secure.